Okay, go. Oh my! Bro, there's more. There's more.
Biggest
Holy
carrot in
crap.
history.
You want to win?
I want them to over me take more.
Oh, money.
Yeah, that's right. Look at these. These are prize winner. These are gold, baby. You'll never go.
I'm cutting my first pumpkin from the garden.
Get up.
Do you want to help him lift it, River? Court's first pumpkin.
Oh. Okay, do you want me to pick it up or you?
River, don't just hold on that because that could break off. I can pick it up if you want.
Is it still filming?
Mm-hmm. I can edit that.
Dude.
Okay, Court, let's grab this thing. Whoa! Let's take it to the front porch. Look at that!
Hey, Cord, just smile at me real quick. Whoop, whoop, woohoo. Cord, look at me.
Why don't you take a picture of him too? Oh. Here, and I'll kind of hold it right there and you lift it, okay? You filming? Okay, turn towards the river. Go to the front door.
Oh.
Tell me if you need help. Ah, good job. The first person in our family to ever grow a watermelon.
Oh.
Let's see, yay, a watermelon.
Wow.
Nummies.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Brock's picking his pumpkin.
In my defense, it's
Get it. Oh, no.
ouch.